Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this new stream dock I've got here. I'm going to show you this one here. This is what it looks like right there. This one here is like a handheld kind of portable one you can put next to you, which is cool because I've been using these ones over here. You can kind of see these ones here. These are the same kind of concept here, like this one here, you know that. But this one here gives me the ability to have it next to me where I really will use it most. So that is really cool. But let me show you how it works. I'm going to show you guys on the screen here, kind of as we have it next to it. So this is the screen dock, and then this is the administrator thing for it. So I can go and I can just say I want to do it to do a website, and I can put a website like right there, and now you see it pops up there. And for the URL, I can say http://www.yahoo.com. Right, and then it'll be Yahoo, and it even changes it to the button. And now watch what happens when I click it. It opens up a window here into Yahoo. I could also have it open apps. I could have it do hotkeys. I've also done some things where it puts in where it'll do a text. I can even do like a text. If I put a text right here and I want to, I don't want to do that. Where my text, I'll put the text right there, and I will have it say hello. And then anytime I'm in a place like up here in my URL bar, you can see right up there in the URL bar, if I click text, it just puts the word hello there. So like I do have it saying like my address and information like that. So I can just push this button. That's what one of these buttons here is. It's gonna, if I push it, it puts my whole address. This one here puts, this is a whole response I have, like a whole multi-paragraph response I do to people requesting for me to do videos and stuff. So I kind of have like that. This one here opens up my image editor app, my image capture app, I guess. I don't even remember what that one is. Oh, that one just goes right to screensaver. So if I want to black out my screen, if someone's walking in, I can just push that button and it blacks it all out. So really cool. I also have it set. So this here will do, I have to get back into the screen. One sec. If I'm in my screen here, I have this set for my volume. You can see the little volume indicator there is going up and down. So I have my volume. I can do all sorts of things with this. This is great. I can program everything. I could even have like say the weather or something like that, I think up there. So I can just program all these buttons. I can even have them go to multiple pages. I can like program this button here to say next page. And it'll be a whole nother set of icons. So these things are great. Stream docks are great. Super simple to set up. It just goes into this one little app here that I have. I think there's multiple apps that you can differently use. This one here is the one I use, but you can even have it fill in a password. You can have it play audio player. If you use OBS, which I do sometimes for live streaming on my 3D printing stuff, I can have it there where I can choose different camera angles and things like that. It'll just do, this will control it all. So really cool that this is just kind of like a shortcut launcher. Very cool. So I'm going to actually be replacing probably this one here with this one. That one there does some certain things I have. So really cool. And you can have multiples, obviously, on the same ones. I'm running it on a Mac. It'll run on a PC or whatever too. So totally awesome. Thumbs up.